Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Unit number 2, Poem number 2.1, Invictus, written by William Ernest Henley. This poem tells us about, here poet tells us that we must have courage and strength. We must have courage and strength. Means our actions are the result of our own feelings. Our actions are the result of our own feelings, and we must take the responsibility of everything that happens in our life. Means this message give through this poem by the poem William Ernest Henley. William Ernest Henley. He was whatever he had suffered related to the disease of tuberculosis, he is going to tell whatever he faced the severe hardship in his life. But the poem William Ernest Henley he suffered a tuberculosis infection, and that resulted in his the doctor advised him to cut the leg below the knee. And this poem is this powerful poem, this strong poem written by William Ernest Henley. William Ernest Henley after this incident. After this incident means when the leg was cut below the knee. And it is all about showing this poem showing the courage in the face of death. The courage in the face of death, and the wish to survive with dignity in the face of many hardship. Okay, to survive. It is the wish of poet to survive with dignity. Survive with dignity in the face of many hardships. Okay. Now see, I would like to read this poem first. Invictus. Invictus means unconquerable, unconquered. Okay, Invictus means unconquered, or means not defeated, not to compromise, It is the meaning of Invictus. Means poet is not defeated while he faced the severe hardship in his life. Okay, now see stanza 1. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bargaining of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. It is this poem is very powerful. Poet used there many words, new words, which tells us about this poem is really a strong poem. This poem really a powerful poem. Okay. Now see first stanza. Out of the night that covers me, black as a pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. Means out of the night that covers me. William Henley, he poet glorifies here out of the night. Out of the night means here out of the night means that it is related to the out of the night means bad situation. Out of the night means bad situations. Okay, or means hardship or situation. Bad hardship or lots of hardship means when poet covered by night means covered by suffering or covered by hardship. Okay. Then next is Means out of the night means covered by suffering. Means poet here says that the hardships that surrounding him, the hardships that means many hardship means suffering that cover to him, suffering that covers to him, and black as a pit from pole to pole. And these are means this suffering, these bad situations, these are as black as means see poet here compare this his life to that from pole to pole. Okay, means it is this figure of speech tells us about the simile. Okay, in the first line also there is figure of speech out of the night that covers me. It is a metaphor. Here is means that he is suffered compared to okay means that night darkness. Okay, and black as the means that poet says that here the hardships or that suffering that surrounding him which are as black as the center of the means which are the center of the earth which is very deep, which is means that pit means a hole which is very deep, means deep from pole to pole means which is very long, which is very long life means poet compare here pole to pole means we know north pole and south pole, but here poet says that it is a very long distance, means that means this hardship is very black as the which is the center which is very deep, center of the earth which is very deep. Okay, means it is very long distance. Poet says that it is a very long distance like a pole to pole, means from north pole to south pole, means it is very long distance. And poet use this word for to tells us about the long distance. Okay, long distance of his life, long distance of his life or long life of his life, long life of his means his life is black, his life is bad like a center of the earth which is very deep, and which is means that compare to his poet compare this for his life, poet compare this black as the pit means that compare to his long distance of his life, long life. I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. But then also, what poet said that poet, whatever the poet felt, lots of hardship, but poet thanks to God. Poet thanks to the Almighty God. Okay, poet thanks to Almighty God that may be there for his unconquerable soul. Okay, because his soul is means it is a soul. It is a part of spiritual part of human being. Soul is the spiritual part of human being. Okay, and Miss Poet is thanks because his soul it was not defeated. It was not defeated, and that's why poet thanks to God. Means whatever he suffered in his life, which is like a center of means which is deep like a center of the earth, and which is very long life means his hardship is very he faced in his life, it is very long. But then also poet thanks to God because his soul which is not defeated, his soul which is not defeated. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the next part of the poem. Thank you.